Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jadi Cahyo Suliangroho. I'm from 11.1. I want to tell you a story about ant and lazy grasshopper. Once upon a time, in the middle of forest, there lived a very diligent ant. The ant lived group with other diligent ants. Every day, the ant always tried to collect food and store in their house. The dry sun and heavy rain didn't relieve the enthusiasm of ants to collect the food. By their spirit, the ants worked hard to collect the food that already got from forests and stored into their home. One day, when the ant was trying to bring the food, he met a grasshopper who was enjoying sunbathing while lazy. "Hi ants, what are you doing?" asked the grasshopper. "I am gathering food to store in my house," said the ant. The grasshopper was laughing. Why you so bothered to collect the food? Do you know there are so many food in the forest?" said Grasshopper. "Yes, that's true, but I store my food for preparing the winter," said the ant. The ant will he brought his food to home. Said the ant will he brought his food to home, and then the grasshopper was longing while mocking the ant. "Winter is too long. For what you bother now to collect the food? You know, there's still much time for it. It will be better if we have fun now," said Grasshopper. The ant did not care about the grasshopper, who was raging around. He was still busy collecting food for the food he could find. The next day, early in the morning, the ant was preparing to find food again. When he opened the door of his home to go, he saw that Grasshopper was sitting there playing guitar and lazing around. The ant only shook his head and passed away. Grasshopper, who saw ants had begun to busy looking for food again, just longing and mocking for food. Mocking. "For what? For what you did it again and again? That is useless. Ha ha ha." The grasshopper was walking, belonging the ant. Thus the whole day, thus the whole day, uh, the ants were busy collecting their food in the barn while the grasshopper was enjoying with playing guitar, sunbathing, and lazy. After working for most of the year, home where the ants' supplies were almost full, but this did not make the diligent ant become lazy. The ant, uh, mm, uh, the ant, the ant still, the ant still tried to find foods to store in his home. "Well, there is still a chance. I have to keep trying to collect foods because no one knows how long the winter will last," said the ant in the herd. Meanwhile, the grasshopper, still just lazing around and having fun all day long. Fall soon arrived. The trees that the the fall soon arrived. The trees that were green slowly changed to brownish yellow. The grass began to dry out. The air got colder. The ant who diligently did not give up hope. He still tried to find food, even though the place was full. Where's, where's the lazy grasshopper began to busy gathering food for supplies in the winter. Finally, winter arrived. The diligent ant sat comfortable in his farmhouse, while enjoying his food, different from the lazy grasshopper, only keep a little food supply. The grasshopper took winter, cold, and sun. So why to bother collecting food in the home? Day after day, week after week, it didn't feel like a month had passed and the cold season was still not over. The grasshopper food supply was exhausted. He could only look at the comfortable and warm and house from behind his window, and then tried to find food in the middle of winter, but he did not succeed. Finally, with embarrassment, he he he, he knocked. Finally, with embarrassment, he knocked on the ant's door. Tock, tock, tock. The grasshopper began to knock. The ant opened the door and said inside, "What's the matter? Please give me a little of your of your food supply, because my supply is up and I'm very hungry," said the grasshopper. The ant laughs. "It's good for you to go when I struggle to collect my food. You even mocked me, and now you ask for my food," said the ant, smoking. Go find your own food," said the ant. Continuing, grasshopper also left the ant's home to find his food, but he didn't find anything. When the grasshopper almost died of cold and hunger, the ant came to help him and invited the grasshopper to live in his warm and comfortable home and full of food. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.